Hi guys! Welcome back again to my channel. So in my last video, I showed you guys 6 different office outfits that you can do just by using one wide leg pants. Now, I will show you guys how to achieve this simple, clean, but very fresh makeup look that's perfect to wear for work. It's just very easy to do and I'm sure all of you can do this look. So yeah guys, without further ado, if you guys want to know how to achieve this look, then go ahead and keep watching. Okay, so first, I will apply the Estee Lauder Day Wear Multi-Protection Antioxidant Moisture Cream. And also, this one has SPF 15. Then I will apply lip balm and I will use the Dr. Pau Pau Tinted Ultimate Red Balm. I really love this balm. It makes my lips really moisturized. Okay, now we can begin our makeup. So first, I will apply primer and I will use the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer Hydrating Primer. For my foundation, I don't usually use a full coverage foundation. Most of the time, I only use a sheer foundation like this MAC. This is the MAC Studio Radiance Face and Body Radiance Sheer Foundation. This one has a light coverage and it makes easier to apply foundation, especially when I'm in a hurry because I don't have all the time to blend my foundation every day. So this is a perfect one. Now, for my concealer, I will be using the Rare Beauty Concealer. This one. Then I will blend it using a brush. Next, I will apply bronzer and I will also be using the one from Rare Beauty, and this is their bronzer sticks in the shade Happy Soul. Then next, I will apply a cream blush, and lately I really like this cream blush, and this is from Merit Beauty. It has a really nice shade and I feel like this shade is perfect for my skin tone. Also, it looks very natural and it's very easy to apply. So usually I just blend it using my finger. Now, I'm going to set my face and I will be using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Pressed Powder. Then now, I will do my brows and I will be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer. Now, I will apply eyeshadow and usually I only use this eyeshadow palette and then I only use one shade and most of the time I'm only using this shade. I just apply it on my entire eyelid. And I will also apply a little bit on my lower lash line. Now, moving on, I will apply eyeliner and then I will also apply mascara after. And then for my eyeliner, I will be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Pen. And then for my mascara, I will be using the Neutrogena Healthy Length Mascara. Okay, I'm done with my eyes. Now I will apply blush, and I will use the blush from NARS, this shade. And I will also apply a little bit of bronzer, and I will be using the one from NARS. And now I will apply highlighter, and I will be using the highlighter from by Mario, and this is the Soft Glow highlighter. So it looks like that. Now for my lips, first I will apply lip liner, and I will be using the Kylie Jenner lip liner in the shade Candy K. And then for my lipstick, I will be using the Sephora Cream Lip Stain in the shade 22. Okay, I'm done with my lipstick, and now to set everything in place and to make my makeup last all day, I will use a setting spray, and I will be using the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. So guys, that was it for today's video, and this is the finished look. This is the makeup look that I always do for work. I hope you enjoyed and find this video helpful. If you do, please don't forget to like this video, share it to your friends, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on my next one. Bye guys!